start the presentation of introduction of Maybank. The fourth largest bank by asset in Southeast Asia is Maybank, one of the top banking conglomerates in the region. For 2 years in a row, in 2013 and 2014, Bumrungrad Market named it among the top 20 strongest banks worldwide. The bank group has 2,040 worldwide spread across 20 nations, including Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, the Philippines, Brunei Darussalam, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, and Hong Kong. And then, Maybank also involved in investment banking, Islamic banking, stockbroking, insurance, takaful, and asset management are just a few of many products and services offered by the group in addition to consumer and corporate banking. Proceed to mission, vision, and objective of Maybank. The mission of Maybank is to humanize financial services, thus underpin our desire to strengthen our relations with the communities we serve. And the vision of Maybank is to become a regional leader in financial service through the realizations of our true potential across key home markets and beyond. And for the objective remains on delivering sustainable stakeholders valuable by leveraging on our high-performance cultures and revised group structure. We discuss about situation analysis, pattern, and SWOTs. For Maybank, SWOT analysis can help the brands focus on building upon its strengths and opportunities while addressing its weaknesses as well as threats to improve its market position. So let us start with the Maybank SWOT analysis. There's 5 of them. The first one is Maybank's strength. Maybank is the largest bank in Malaysia in terms of number of branches, has a customer base of more than 21 million, has presence in 70 countries across the globe, divided yield in high when compared to industry and sector average. The ROA and ROE sustainability higher than the industry and sector average. And then Maybank traits. The first one is change in economic policy in Southeast Asian countries will affect the bank significantly. And then current macroeconomic scenario across the globe affecting the bank. It is Maybank weakness. Much of the banking operations are focused in around Malaysia and Singapore, hence limited global penetrations. Much of the revenues come from retail banking and Islamic banking. Less revenue comes from other offerings. Number 4 is Maybank opportunities. High opportunities to expand into countries like Laos once the bank gets the license to operate. High opportunities to grow in investment banking in Hong Kong. Grow in internet banking will increase the customer base. Number 5 is banking competitors. There's several brands in the market which are competing for the same set of customers. The first one is Public Bank, CIMB, and Hong Leong Bank.
Now we move to the marketing objective of Maybank. In marketing objective, it is not enough to provide basic information. You must also provide actionable steps to achieve your aims. When operating a business, it is necessary to answer fundamental questions of what, who, when, how, and why. In addition, to be pertinent, a company's goals should be realistic and consider both its current resources and past achievements. Towards the end of a fiscal year or quarter, goal setting sessions for marketing are often held. This is a regular practice. Next is about marketing strategy of Maybanks. They have several strategies we look such as segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Of all is about segmentation. It is possible to increase customer satisfaction by providing superior goods and service to your customers, which is why it is essential to segment your target audience in your marketing plan. The purpose of marketing segmentation is to separate the firm business into the areas the company desires to focus on to enhance sales. This will be accomplished by dividing the market into segments. The rationale of Maybank's division of its customer into these 4 groups might be behavioral, regional, psychography, or demography. The classification of customer is known as psychographic segmentation, based on the psychological qualities that customer bring to the table. We will be able to classify clients according to various factors, including their personalities, interests, lifestyles, life goals, values, and hobbies, among others. Maybank has segmented its market utilizing the method known as demographic segmentation, which is the simplest method Using this strategy, they have divided their client into several groups based on factors such as age, gender, wage, occupation, degree of education, religious affiliation, racial makeup, and family size. It is about the targeting. Malayan Banking Berhad, or we known as a Maybank, reorganized its product categories to increase customer happiness. This was accomplished by researching to determine each industry potential and economic activeness. Consumer banking, commercial and corporate banking, investment banking, insurance, asset management, and international banking are the 6 specialized areas in which Maybank is active. When it comes to retail banking, most of Maybank's attention is directed toward the portion of the population earning more than B40 per month. Lastly is about positioning. The Malaysian Bank or Maybank was selected for its importance in providing outstanding customer service. Maybank to You business is an alternative to small and medium-sized enterprise banking that is more discerning and less difficult. Small and medium-sized enterprises may benefit from the streamlined account overview and mobile transaction. Customers can conduct their banking activities in a way that is both more practical and safer by using Secure to You.
I will continue to present about the company marketing product strategy of Maybank. So, product is a wide range of different taste and a person decides to buy. And Maybank is offer service product and integrated products to their customer, which is a Maybank offer Maybank One Solution, which is a banking service. So the customer need to buy deposit RM10 for this service. And for Maybank Solution, they have Maybank to You, ATM and phone banking service, insurance, savings account, monthly installments, and free withdrawal at ATM in Brunei, Indonesia, Singapore, and Philippines, and so on. And then move over, Maybank have provide many financial service to their customer, which are Maybank card. Maybank have many type of cards. Maybank, which is Maybank American Express Card Bank Gold, Petronas Maybank Visa Gold, and Manchester United Visa card. And the Maybank have offer many types of accounts, loans, insurance, wealth management, and internet banking, overseas service. And next, I will continue the marketing mix of price, which is the price of Maybank strategy. So, price is a business can decide to use very price strategy on their product and analyze is the most possible for their business because of the fast changing environment nowadays. So, for the first, I will discuss about pricing strategy that used by Maybank is price competitive. So, Maybanks offer deposit RM10 for service cash deposit machine or debit account to an ATM machine or online station to their customer. And customer can also get free of charge for service money request or cash conversation. And then move over, the Maybank will charge 50 cents for the cancelling 9 times to detect undesirable such as scam. And then next, I would like to share about how they distribute their product or service in Maybank, which is a place. So Maybank distribute their service through digital platform and physical branch. As we know, they have about 393 branch and 2,500 automatic teller machine ATM. And then move over, Maybank have distribute their product and service to 20 countries, including Malaysia, Philippines, India, Pakistan, Cambodia, Indonesia, Singapore, and Vietnam. Therefore, Maybank also have a network of branch through the state, such as in the hospital, clinics, in petrol station, and so on. And Maybank has offer the digital platforms such as Maybank to You and MAE for their customer. Lastly, I will explain to you about promotion. The promotion is the specific blends of advertiser, public relations, personal seller, and direct marketing tool that the company use to communicate customer value and to customer relationship personally. I would like to explain about promotion. Maybank have invested much money to the promotion using digital promotional and a conversational advisor for their customer. Next, Maybank do promotion to their customer. They give cashback more than 2 million in festival season for American Express credit card holder. And moreover, Maybank also provide mobile bank. Mobile bank is a bank bergerak. They provide financial service such as open an account for Maybank card for their financial management in Pahang, Gambang and Lampang. And then next, Maybank has a special collaboration with the smartphone apps Reka. For collaboration for smartphone app Reka is they do promotion for platinum cards, American Express, gold card, all Maybank card and Maybank Islamic Basic Infinity card and so on. So the Maybank do the efficient promotion to concern about fluctual performance and bring in new clients, later current ones and train people in promotion. So in conclude, promotion give a good image and quality of financial banking service.
I will present about digital marketing of Maybank. First, product to co-creation. The Maybank to You application developed by Maybank is available for download from the App Store and Google Play Store for iOS and Android users. Money transfers between individual Maybank accounts are simpler for customers. A few examples include transferring money from saving accounts to current accounts, other Maybank accounts, other local banks, or foreign financial institution. Customers no longer have to queue at ATM machine or bank counters to deal with the matter. The facilities provided can save customers time and energy, thus further increasing the number of Maybank users. Maybank also allow customers to access Maybank to You anytime and anywhere. This can help customers to use the service outside of working hours in the event of an emergency. Second, price to currency. There are several fees and charges at Maybank, such as on saving accounts, charge the same fees and charge to all customers regardless of age, gender, income, occupation and family status. Maybank charge a fee against replacement of ATM or bank card as much as RM12, replacement of lost book of RM15 and cash withdrawal at another bank's ATM facilities max charge of RM1. However, there are also products offered by Maybank that offer different price to all customers. For example, car insurance that offered by Maybank where the price is depend on age, gender, credit record and occupation. Therefore, before a purchase is made, Maybank must make the necessary assessment so that the price offered can satisfy the customer. Third, place to communal activation to hasten the adoption of cashless transaction throughout Malaysia. The country's top banking organization and technological platform will collaborate for the purpose of encouraging the use of the new cashless payment option. The GrabPay mobile wallet form a strategic partnership with Maybank, the fourth largest bank in terms of assets in Southeast Asia. Because of Maybank's collaboration and help, Grab consumer will soon be able to use their mobile wallet at Maybank's important merchants, extending the acceptance of GrabPay across a wider network of retailers. Currently, GrabPay can only be used at GrabPay merchants. The same will ultimately be true for Maybank users who will also be able to pay at GrabPay retailers using Maybank QR Pay. The cooperation will also soon allow customers to directly top off their mobile wallets with cash using Maybank to You. Lastly, promotion to conversation. People nowadays are more exposed to the use of social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This disclosure also has an impact on banking, especially Maybank. Previously, the bank only used one-way communication to deliver message or offer promotions to customers. When a message merely goes from sender to receive without any exchange of information, that is known as one-way communication.
Radio and TV programs are a few of instances of one-way communication. This exposure to social media leads to change in conveying information and solving a problem. Most banks nowadays practice two-way communication, which means a communication is transmitted from the sender to the receiver by one person. As soon as the message is received, the receipt responds to confirm receipt. Therefore, Maybank uses the Twitter application as a medium to communicate with customers directly. Any complaints or inquiries can be made via Twitter, and the bank will help to resolve the problem faced by the customer as soon as possible. Customer can also use live chat on the Maybank to You app to get more info on transaction, Maybank products and more.
We will move on to the next part, which is content marketing. There are a total of 8 content marketing that need to be followed by the Maybank. Maybank has set its goal setting to become a leading banking company in Southeast Asia. With its mission of humanizing financial services, Maybank focuses more on its customers in doing business. Sustainability is the key for Maybank in achieving its goal setting, which has been implemented for many years since its operation. Maybank brand is no longer foreign to the population in Asia's heart. The business as well as the operation conducted over the years have given confidence to customers to remain loyal to this brand. The business and operations carried out are always transparent, and the investment invested always brings a profitable return to its customers. Maybank has set audience mapping with an age range as early as 20 years to 60 years. Those who are in this age range are those who are able to generate a steady income every month. This allows the bank to obtain fixed deposit and deposits from customers, which is the largest sources of capital for the bank in continuing its business. Maybank is also aware of the increasing demand in areas outside the city such as Kuala Lumpur and Penang. As a result, they have set up more branches even though in areas where the population is not too large. The decisions made so that the facilities offered can be used and utilized in every area no matter where their customers are. Satisfaction and high focus on its customers is a priority for Maybank in sustaining its business. During festivals such as Hari Raya, Chinese New Year celebration, and even Deepavali, Maybank has released short videos every year to represent the company in an effort to also celebrate the festivals celebrated by its customers. Short videos that are broadcast to the public always carry a message about the products or services offered. The products and services offered are not openly promoted, but they are layered with a storyline based on situations such as festivals. Maybank can further promote its business more widely through the attractive content that has been created. The Maybank company constantly changes its billboards on a monthly basis using different themes and colors. This is to attract more readers and customers in an effort to spread its products and services. The advertisements displayed and posted are always updated according to the needs and also the current changes, so that the products and services always look relevant and do not look outdated, which receive less attention from the community. Maybank is constantly strengthening its business and always looking for inspiration as well as new and fresh ideas. Maybank has created mobile banking apps known as MAE. Indirectly, the existence of this application provides convenience to customers and managed to attract more new customers to use it due to the convenience offered. Many content creators such as bloggers, television news, and even newspaper companies make special coverage and news for Maybank companies. It is due to the best service provided by Maybank to its customers. The Maybank company has provided donations as well as assistance in the form of money. This news has gone viral after the issue of Malaysians helping each other become a hot topic in the country. Newspaper publishing companies as well as bloggers have taken the opportunity to publish this news to the general public to grab an audience attentions, as the latest issues published will further expand their company's branding. When Maybank launched the online banking application MAE apps, Engine searches such as Android and iOS recorded a high number of searches and application downloads by users. Indirectly, the content strategy that is done shows positive and encouraging results as the number of mobile phone users downloading the MA apps is increasing. Advertisements displayed on social media and on Maybank's official website show an increase in the number of viewers every time new products and services are offered and launched. This means customers are all more likely to make their own research and study on certain products and services before they subscribe for it. The bank company is constantly updating all strategies and advertisements displayed. In addition, customer service is always open 24 hours online while only during working hours if you want to walk in. A platform to make any complaints is also provided at each bank branch and also on its official website. This is done to constantly improve its operation over time. Indirectly, the feedback received can be used as data to change the content marketing approach so that it is more relevant to use in the future.